Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create a festive, glittery holiday look. Look at Pixie. She's like hiding in there. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. So yeah, let's just get started and see how I achieve this look. During winter time, my face is extremely dry, so I want to make sure to put some lotion before I apply foundation. After applying lotion, I'm going to apply Catrice Prime and Fine. I'm going to warm up with my fingers and just apply it all over my face. This primer not only hydrates your skin, but also it gives you like a natural glow through your foundation. I am using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Light 12, and I'm just going to dot underneath my eye, my nose bridge. I'm not going to set my face with the powder because that's just going to dry out my skin, and I don't want that. Like during winter, I don't really have to set my face with the powder. I'm just going to move on and do my eyebrows. I'm using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil and Precisely My Brow Pencil. I usually use the two together. Both of them are in the shade number 3. Moving on to the best part, which is the eyeshadow. Today I am going to use Essence Pure New Highlighter as my base because it's a holiday look. This is the time of the year that I can make my eyelids as shiny as I want. So you might as well take advantage of that. And then I'm using ColourPop's Note to Self for my crease. Now I'm going in with Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. I am using the shade Riff right here. Emphasize on my crease right here. Also in the front. I'm going to go back into this brush that I used earlier with the ColourPop Note to Self. But I'm not going to add any more eyeshadow. I'm just going to use this brush and blend out the whole thing. I just want my base to be kind of like a brownish warm tone. And then for my waterline, I'm going to use Note to Self and a little bit of cutouts. Just bring it up to the angle. Kind of use like the Q-tip to run it over so it's not so dark. Emphasize the corner of my eye a little bit more right here. I'm going to spray some setting spray on my brush and then go into ColourPop's Gemini. It's like a shimmery gold color. Oh hey! I'm gonna put this all over my lid. And going back to the brush that I used for Note to Self and just like run it over because I still want that warmth in the back. I am going to dig in with ColourPop's glittery eyeshadow. I'm going to mix Get Lost and Renegade. I'm going to pop it on my eye and see how that goes. Let's just hope that it's going to look good because I've never tried this before. Let's see. Tap it gently. I'm only going to focus in the middle of my eyelid. Super glittery, and it's just like super fun for the holiday. I think I'm digging it. I am going to warm up my face and just like, this is the bronzer I always use. Physician Formula's Bronze Booster. I like to do it on my forehead. Create that dimension, you know? Use this Just I like to put a little bit underneath my nose. And for my blush, I'm using ColourPop's I Need Space. Use a generous amount. The blush is on. For the holiday, gonna use the shiniest highlight. Becca's highlight. This is in the shade Opal. See that? Keep it small. You see that? I just love highlighting my face. It's just like the best feeling ever, knowing that your face is glowing. I'm going to use ColourPop's Roundhouse, use as my inner liner. Just gonna drag it out a little bit. And for the fun of this look, since I have so much glitter, I'm going to add, see how glittery this is? Going to use that as my highlight. Just like tap a little for the fun of this look. Brush it out so it's not like a chunk, just to emphasize my highlighter and just, you know, have an excuse to put some glitter on my face. Now I'm going to set my face before I apply mascara, so let's do that. While my face is wet, I am going to apply more glitter on my eye. Go big or go home. For my lashes, I am going to apply Lancome's Booster first. For my upper lashes, I'm going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to use MAC's Extended Play Lash. This one is super thin, so it's easier to go underneath my eye. See the difference? My eyelashes are done, and to finish off this look, I'm going to use MAC's Mull Over and Diva together. So here's Mull Over. It's the Powder Kiss finish. And I think Mull Over, it's a perfect color for the base if you ever want to mix with any other lipsticks. Just gonna put it all over my lips. So this is Mull Over. I mean, that's good enough, but I like to have a deeper shade for the holiday look, and this is Diva. I'm going to dab this color onto my lip and toward to the inner side, and just gonna blend it out with my finger. So this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to curl my hair. My hair is naturally straight and it's just kind of boring to me. I like curly hair personally, so. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, this is my glittery holiday look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and like the video if you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye! Pixie, we're not doing yoga right now. Pixie?